How you doing? Todd Uminski again. Just thinking about eating and prepping your foods for your weekend. You're running around with your family, you get your kids during soccer, you got all the things in life you got to do. It's a go, go, go lifestyle these days. So try to prepare your foods during the week. See any amount of meals you can put, stick them into containers. Thanks to my wife today for I got some chicken, some sweet potato, a salad. Um, that's what you got to do. Yeah, you want to eat healthy, you want to stay healthy for anything, for losing weight or just staying where you are and just keeping healthy for your family, your lifestyle, so you can get ahead in life. So prepare your foods, and if you can't prepare your foods and you're out, you got to make the right decisions. Don't go for that hamburger and fries. Don't go for that fried chicken and a milkshake and a soda. Go for the water. Go for the salad. Go for the grilled chicken. Eat something right. Comment below. Let me know what you're eating. I'd like to see everybody doing well this year. It's 2023, so let's keep moving. Talk to you soon.